Hey, what's up? It's Jake, and congratulations for making it to the last section of my Learn Terraform playlist, where we will go over how to use Terraform as a team. So up to this point, we've kind of been just doing everything by ourselves, and I'm going to break this up into 4 sections, again, following the Terraform Up and Running 2 book, so we can discuss them individually. The 4 sections will be adopting infrastructure as code as a team, a workflow for deploying application code, a workflow for deploying infrastructure code, and then just kind of putting it all together. So that's pretty much everything you need to know as a team. The one thing I'll tell you is we've been kind of going through all these code samples, fixing things, troubleshooting things, getting them to work, whatever. Um, in the real world, you're going to have to do this collaboratively. So you can't do it by yourself, and fixing one thing might break something for another person. So we need to find a way to convince people to use this in a way that makes sense, which is easier said than done. It's often actually more difficult to get people to use this tool, period, let alone use it as a team, than it is to actually write the code. Um, so we need to talk about how to convince people to use Terraform or infrastructure as code, or if even convince you that it might not make sense. Um, so we're going to try to figure that out, where this fits in your tech stack and your company's workflow. And again, it might not make sense, and we're going to go over all of that too. I'm not saying Terraform is the answer to everything, because it certainly is not. So stick around. We'll go through 4 more sections, and then you will be done.